Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the We All Juggle Knives channel. Welcome to my review of the Astrolux, wait for it, MF02. This is really an impressive light. Smooth reflector, lit side switch. We have a lanyard here as well as two O-rings. Also comes with this handy strap. It comes with this, which can screw into the little socket here, like so. And it comes with this belt holster, the loop there. It's got Velcro, and it's a fairly large flashlight. And here are the stats. It has 4 brightness levels, 3000 lumens is the turbo. You see the run times there. Max beam distance, 1,587 meters. Wow. Now, this is available at banggood.com. You know them. If you want to see the stats and, the pictures that they include and so forth, check out the link that I will provide in the text description box. They also have pretty good prices, and they have a lot of budget stuff too, if that's more your thing. Basic operation of the light. It is all controlled by this side switch. To turn it on, you just press this. And to turn it off, you long press. Now this has a memory function, so it'll memorize the previous brightness level. Alright, it's got 4 brightness levels. To cycle through, you just press this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. To shortcut to the turbo, you can double tap. There you go. Alright, strobe warning. To get to the special mode, you triple tap. That is the strobe. You'll see it better outside. Another tap is SOS. Another tap is locator beacon. Just every few seconds. Alright, so it's got 3 special modes. Now, as far as just the structure of the light, you see it has very good texture, very good grip. Gives you positive control. It's got lanyard slots right there, and you see the bezel. And it's got a lot of baffles for heat dissipation, so it's very solid. I mean, it just has a very well-built feel. The lit side switch is also a battery indicator. Now, I just recharged the batteries, so it is green. If that turns red, it means your batteries are getting depleted. If it starts blinking when it's red, then they're really depleted. And then beyond that, the light won't turn on, like below a certain voltage. So recharge. Speaking of the power, unscrew this to get at the little battery magazine. It uses 4 18650 lithium-ion batteries, and they do recommend these. These are Samsung, and these are high drain batteries, high amp. It does not come with batteries. You have to buy, separate. Buy 4 18650 cells, and again, if you look at the listing, they will tell you which ones that they recommend, but yeah, and it does not, you cannot recharge them in the light, so you will need a separate charger, which is what I prefer. Alright, so we're going to go out and demonstrate this, but before that, I have to explain what max beam distance is, because this has a very high max beam distance. Well, max beam distance is the theoretical distance at which the light is calculated to be able to provide 1/4 of 1 lumen per square meter. Alright, so less than 1 lumen, theoretically, at that distance. So you wouldn't be able to see anything on camera. Right, that figure, it's just meant as a basis. So what the hell is the point of something that has over 1,500 meters of max beam distance? Well, a human being can't really see that far. I mean, unless you're looking at something as gigantic. So no, a light like this, it's not meant to point at some guy that's 1,500 meters away. The point of such a long max beam distance is simply that at more practical ranges, like let's say 100 meters away across a field, this is going to just dominate. All right, we're out here on the old testing board with this Astrolux. Let's cycle through. And that is the 3000 lumens. That's quite bright. All right, let's do the special modes. A strobe warning. That's a strobe. And this is SOS. And the last is the beacon mode, location beacon. All right, and there's the lit side switch. And back to turbo. All right, and we do have a little furry friend over there. I will not disturb it, but I will show it to you. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm at the second story window with this Astrolux light. Critters have been found. Hold on. And it's just having fun eating some of the vegetation. I'm way back here. I am way back here. There was another one over there. I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a raccoon. That's a raccoon. Astrolux spotting critters in the backyard. I'm way back here. Way back here. Hey, raccoon. Oh, there it goes, behind the tree. Where did that deer go? Oh, there it is. Hello, deer. Look how bright this is. Alright, doing an excellent job, this Astrolux. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're out in the field with this Astrolux light. Let's go turbo. Nice. Alright, let's do a top view. Alright, here's a top view of the beam shot of this Astrolux. Some beautiful geometry there. Okay, let's go to the sports field and see if it can hit the goal. I know it can. And there you go, YouTube. Easily hits that goal, and there's another one over there. Can hit that too. I'm way back here. This thing is an awesome thrower. This is the road that goes by the creek. Let's shine it down the road first. Nice. Alright, let's check out the creek. Alright, here's the Astrolux at Frog Creek. The opposite bank, the treetops. Look how bright. Yeah, this light is just an epic thrower. But at this distance, note, the hot spot, you know, it would be perfect for a man-sized target, or a deer, or you know, any mammal, Bigfoot, Yeti, Sasquatch. Up into space, you know, signaling the aliens. All right, YouTube, we are back. Well, this light is not only very impressive, but it is my favorite type of light. It's a light beam sniper. A very bright, long thrower. The benefits of this light include being very well made, the lit side switch, easy to find, extremely long range, and a focused beam, so you're putting most of the light can go on like a man-sized target at very far distances. Now, what are the drawbacks that you might have to consider? Well, like I said, you need a separate charger. Not really a drawback to me, but some people don't, they're not that into flashlights. So you cannot recharge the cells in the light. It needs high amp batteries, so you can't just use any 18650 cells and expect to get that brightness, right? It needs high amp cells. Another drawback would be size. I mean, obviously to accommodate 4 of those 18650s, it has to be a certain thickness, certain diameter, and then to have that reflector, that very deep, smooth reflector, to give it the range, it also has to be so long. Another possible drawback, the side switch is a little bit easy to accidentally activate, but it does have a lockout function, so you might have to use that lockout function. When I was putting it in a pouch, I was going on a bicycle outing, I put it in a pouch, and I accidentally hit that side switch. So yeah, oh, and the lockout is just a long press, and the unlock is just another long press. So if that happens, utilize that. Now the pricing on this, the normal price is about $125, but there are often sales, and if there's not a sale, sometimes there's a discount coupon. So definitely check the link, because it might be substantially lower price. And if there is a coupon, I will definitely include that. So, you know, $125 or less. All right, and again, this is available at banggood.com. I'm pretty sure they ship to every country, so all my 50,000 viewers that are outside the US, hey, this might be a better light than you can get in local stores. So yeah, take advantage. I'll include the link, banggood.com. So do I recommend this light? Overall, yes, definitely. I mean, Astrolux makes some good stuff. This is my favorite type of light right now, just these light beam snipers. Alright YouTube, well I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.